Welcome to the Mueller Electric Closeup Clips, where you'll get a demonstration and how to use our products. This video will showcase how to properly crimp an alligator clip to a wire. First step, strip the wire to the proper length, approximately 3/8 of an inch strip both sides of the wire. This portion is how not to crimp the clip to the wire. Insert the wire inside the alligator clip. Make sure it's all the way past the alligator clip and grab it from the back. Crimp, squeeze hard, and now there is a hard indentation in the back. Take the clip, insert it inside the barrel. To properly crimp, take the wire and fold it over the outer jacket, and then perform the same crimp as before. Why is this important? You can't pull this wire out. However, if you grab the wire from the other side with a slight tug of pressure, the wire will come out. Folding the wire back over the insulation before the crimp will provide the best usage. In choosing Mueller Electric's electronic and electrical component supplies, you'll receive a reliable, high-quality, feature-packed solution that's competitively priced. Discover more solutions from Mueller Electric by scanning the QR code or visiting our website at muellerelectric.com. Thank you for watching.